Next, let's try our marching in place. My feet are going to slightly turn out. That way I can think about using my inside edges. Remember, the inside edges are the inside of your skate, the big toe side of your skate. My home base position with my upper body, arms are slightly in front, parallel to the ice. Pull your posture up, so eyes up, head up, shoulders level, arms up and parallel to the ice. Arms are stretched out. They're not too tense, they're not too lax, just right in the middle, and they are slightly below the shoulders. Chest is up and the belly button is up too. So in skating, alignment is super important. Think of us like Jenga blocks. If we're tilted like this, we might just plop over. But if we're like Jenga blocks, stacked perfectly with our body parts, we will stay upright in our skates. Bending is critical. Bending your knees, your ankles, engaging your hips. The more you bend, the more stable you'll be on the ice because your edges are able to dig into the ice a bit more. So now let's try the march in place. Bend, drive down in the ice. And we're gonna lift. 1, 2, 1, 2. As I'm marching, my feet are under my hips. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm taking about medium-sized steps. To make this a little easier, we can try 1 foot at a time. March, march, march. Stomp, stomp, stomp. And then we can try to alternate. 1, 2, 1, 2. And take it at a pace that's most comfortable for you. Let's take it to the next step. We're gonna try to move with our marches. So I drew a little tree here. So you can think as you march, feet slightly turned out, so we can start to use our inside edges. This is gonna be a great building block for our future skills, scooter pushes and stroking. So I drew my little tree here. I'm going to take medium-sized steps, bending every time. So bend and march forwards and take it at a pace that's most comfortable for you. As I continue to march, eventually my march will turn into glides. So as you get more comfortable, try to push a little harder each time with your blade.